Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will continue our lesson 5 shelter. Okay, listen the class carefully. Some people keep moving from one place to another. They make tent houses which can be easily folded and taken anywhere. Tent houses, it's we can fold it and take it anywhere. This moving one place to another, we can move from one place to another using this tent houses. Campers and soldiers use tent houses. Mostly they are using tent houses because they should move one place to another. This they can folded this tent houses. And you can see the pictures: tent house, houseboat and igloo. This some people live in houseboats in places which have rivers and lakes. Houseboats. Boats usually using rivers and lake, and this is houseboats. They are Kashmir and Kerala house beautiful houseboats. And houseboats means all the rooms also is there. All the house facilities are there in these houseboats. People living in a thick snow covered areas make their houses with blocks of ice. Such as houses are called igloos. You can see the pictures. Igloos, this one, and a houseboat. This is houseboat. This house facilities are there, and people living thick snow covered area make their houses with a block of ice. This ice. This one. Igloos are found in cold countries like Greenland. People called nomads who do not live permanently at the same place live in caravans. They hook their caravan to a horse or van and can be take it anywhere. That also move from one place to another. They hook their caravan to a horse or van, they take it anywhere. Caravan picture also you can see. People living in areas with heavy rainfall make houses on stilts. Such houses are called stilt house. You can see people living in area heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall areas, they are making stilt. This called stilt houses. You can see the picture. Try yourself, collect pictures of different types of houses, stick them in your notebook. That you can do activity. A fact, in America, a caravan is called a motorhome. This is important. In America, caravan is called a motorhome. A good and clean house. A house, big or small, is healthy and comfortable only when it is clean and organized. A house, big or small, that is not a matter, is healthy and comfortable only when it is clean and organized. It's very important. It should be clean and organized. There should be enough doors and windows for fresh air and sunlight to enter. Enough windows and doors for fresh air and sunlight to enter. Sunlight kills the germs in air. Sunlight kills the germs in the air. Kitchen and bathroom floor should be kept dry. Always remember, kitchen and bathroom floor should be kept dry. Drains should be kept covered to prevent breeding of mosquitoes. You can see the pictures. This drain should be kept covered to prevent the breeding of mosquitoes. A fact, it's remember, mosquitoes cause diseases like dengue, malaria and chikungunya. This always remember, mosquitoes cause disease like dengue, malaria and chikungunya. Always throw garbage in a covered dustbin. Remove the cobwebs regularly. House should be swept and mopped daily. Things should be kept at proper places. Don't throw here and there. It is also important to keep the surroundings around. It is also important to keep the surroundings around. Life skills. Keeping a house clean is very important. It is not very difficult too. It just needs a little planning. Just you plant and do it well. Today's class over up to this chapter completed. You can revise this chapter nicely, read 2-3 times, and today's class over. Thank you and have a nice day.